Namaskar parents, good morning kids, how are you all? Hope you all are awesome, right? So first start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love, so high you can't get over it, so deep you can't get under it, so wide you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love, oh, wonderful love, God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Now rub your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes, and now you feel fresh, right? So my name is Chachal Davda from New Era Global School. So first we start with our rhymes. So which rhymes we learn in few weeks? Wheels on the bus, right? So shall we start? Okay. Wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town. The white bus on the bus goes swish, 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 swish. The white bus on the bus goes swish, 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 all through the town. The doors on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. The peoples on the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The peoples on the bus goes up and down, all through the town. The horns on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horns on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town, all through the town. So kids, are you enjoying the rhymes? Right? So now let's do some interesting and amazing activity. Okay? So come with me. Okay, so today's activity is based on all types of curve. All types of curve. Earlier, we learn all types of curve like right side curve, right, left side curve, upside curve, and today we learn a downside curve. Okay, so shall we start? So first take one crayon. There are one craft paper and 4 bangles. Okay, so parents, please help your children. Okay, so we need a 1 A4 size chart paper, 4 bangles, right, 4 bangles, and we make a pocket like this. Okay, so shall we start? So first take one crayons. We trace the bangle, right side curve, right side curve, pull the bangle and trace again, right side curve. Which curve is this? Right side curve. Parents, now your children learning the curves. Right side curve. So you see here that which curve is this, children? Right side curve. Which curve is this? Right side curve. Okay. Now which curve is this? Left side curve. Which curve is this? Left side curve. So take another color. Trace. Up to down side, trace left side curve like this. Okay, so which curve is this? Left side curve. Now see right side curve. You see right side curve here, right? And now you see left side curve. Now which curve is this? The curve goes upside is called upside curve, right? We learned yesterday, na? Right, very good, my intelligent kids. So now first trace like this. Pull the bangle, again trace and speak with me. Upside curve, again upside curve. Okay, so which curve is this? Upside curve. Which curve is this? Upside curve. Now speak with me again. Okay, right side curve, left side curve, upside curve. Now today we learn about a downside curve. Which curve we learn? A downside curve. The curve goes down. It's called a downside curve. Okay. So shall we trace? Right. Downside curve. Pull the bangle. Downside curve. Again. Downside curve. Now downside curve, downside curve. So which curve is this? Downside curve. So our activity is done. Again speak with me. Right side curve, right side curve, left side curve, upside curve, downside curve. So this is a curve patterns, right? We learned today all types of curve. Are you enjoying this activity? Okay kids, so today I will teach you about a downward curve. Okay, so now today I will show you some picture flashcard according to downside curve. So shall we start? So what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? Yes, this is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. So umbrella, you look, umbrella goes downside curve, right? Downside curve, downside curve. Okay. So हम umbrella कब यूज करते हैं? रेनी सीजन में, राइट? और समर में भी यूज करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें धूप से बचना होता है, राइट? So what is this? This is an umbrella and this is a downside curve. Now second picture. What is this? Can anyone tell me? Guess. Yes, this is a hat. This is a hat. You see a downside curve here? Yes, this is a downside curve. Which curve is this? Downside curve. Which curve is this? Downside curve. Right. और आप ये पिक्चर में देख सकते हो कि आपको एक और कर्व दिख रहा है। दिख रहा है आपको एक और कर्व? यस, द अपसाइड कर्व, राइट? अपसाइड कर्व, डाउनसाइड कर्व। ओके, सो हैट हम कब पहनते हैं? जब हम समर सीजन में एंड जब हम पिकनिक जाते हैं, राइट? आप लोगों ने पहनी है पिकनिक में कभी हैट? यस? ओके, सो नाउ अनदर पिक्चर इज, वाओ, व्हाट इज दिस? This is a rainbow. What is this? This is a rainbow. How many colors in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, right? And rainbows also goes downside curve, right? Downside curve. So these are some pictures according to downside curve: rainbow, hat, and umbrella. Okay, so now classwork time. So today's classwork is on textbook, is in textbook. So first, let's quick recall. What did we learn yesterday? Yesterday we learned in our worksheet. What did we learn? We learned, let's sail in a yacht, experience the water waves of the sea. हमने क्या किया था? वेव्स को ट्रेस किया था, राइट? एंड आवर होमवर्क इज ट्रेस द अपसाइड कर्व लाइंस. आप लोगों ने होमवर्क किया? यस, माय गुड गर्ल्स एंड गुड बॉयज, माय किड्स आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, राइट? आपको पता है, आप लोग होमवर्क करोगे ना, जब मैं चेक करूंगी तो आपको यहाँ पे एक बड़ा सा स्माइली दूंगी, पर उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? होमवर्क, राइट? सो दिस इज अवर yesterday activity, yesterday classwork. Today's classwork is on English textbook. Take out your English textbook. Now take out page number 6. Page number 9. Take out page number 9. Downward curve. Which curve we learn today? Downward curve. The bridge has a downward curve. You saw a bridge? Yes, you saw a bridge in Morbi? Yes, Julda Pul, right? So the bridge has a downward curve. The bridge has a downward curve. Trace the downward curve strokes. हमें क्या करना है? Downward curves को ट्रेस करना है, स्ट्रोक्स को. ओके, सो शैल वी स्टार्ट? सो टेक आउट योर इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक, पेज नंबर 19. टेक आउट योर crayons. I will do it on board and you do it on टेक्स्ट बुक. Okay, so take out page number 9 in English textbook. Parents, please help your children. Write CW and date. CW. Okay, so kids, are you all happy today? Okay, so happy. Now we trace the downside curve, downwards curve. How we trace? We trace slowly. Downside curve. Downside curve. Downside curve. So we start here. So we go up. We go upside, and now we go downside curve. Now our one curve is done. Another curve. Start with here. Slowly we go upside, and slowly we go downside. So our second curve is also done. Trace like this. Trace slowly and speak with me. Downside curve. Downside curve. Okay. So now third one row. Trace the curve start with your, go slowly upside and slowly downside. Again slowly upside, slowly downside, slowly upside, and then goes to downside. Our downward curve, downward curve. So our class work is done. Hope you like today's class work. Thank you.